everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi soap histories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngeskim sami. Namhlanje guys uLesihlanu and uMaNtuli is in hot water. Bathi ke namhlanje uMaNtuli but there are suspicions that uMaNtuli may have overstepped ama boundaries akhe to profit from the funeral policies. Bathi ke uMaNtuli guys ubhalise wonke umuntu kwi-family, ubhalise uClement, wabhalisa uSithoko, wabhalisa uPretty, wabhalisa uLehasa, wabhalisa uClement, wabhalisa u-auntie kaClement, wabhalisa omakhelwane, like ubhalise wonke umuntu la funeral kuma-funeral policies akhe. And mase benefita guys, ubenefita ke A1, since you saw yesterday ukuthi she is even hiding ama-document lapha ya ekhabetheni mabhakedeni ngoba engafuni ukuthi ke ingane zakhe ke zibone. uMaNtuli guys ubenefitile ke wangakhipha imali, wakhipha nje imali encane. Big question, the big question that people are asking ukuthi uMaNtuli yenzani imali, uyenzani uMaNtuli imali guys, because there is nothing aseyenzile tangible. Noma uqala ibusiness noma wenzeni, nobody knows ukuthi uMaNtuli imali uyenzani. And mangase uSithoko athole ukuthi uMaNtuli wadayisa umuzi wakubo osegameni lika Sithoko, hayi koqhuma nhlamvana ezinye ziyofekela ngiyakutshela, ngoba uMaNtuli guys wadayisa umuzi wawudayisa kuBraboki and akazizatshele mu, nobody knows ukuthi imali ke wayenzani. So namanje abantu they are asking ukuthi guys uMaNtuli imali ke uyenzani yalama policies ke awenzayo. And lento ke imbi ngoba izomlidela ekutheni agcine celebrate mangabe kukhona umuntu oshonile ke emndenini. She will start celebrating and azafisa ukuthi bashone. Abanye bathi ke she's slowly becoming uRosemary uMaNtuli, ngoba uzogcina babulala sebathengile inkabi ukuthi babulale ukuze akwazi ukuthi ke athole imali ke yokuqhubeka ke nakwenzayo. Kanti ke abanye bathi ke uSifiso ungenaphi ezimalini zikaMaNtuli ngoba azange azamningi ngisho u5 bobo ukuthi ahambe ayo contributor lapha yana. So uenter kuphi, utsena kai yena pila because amphathelete amfasilo wayanyaka ubenefita ko the funeral policies tsa high now. So this is the question that the other people are asking ukuthi ungenaphi uSifiso ungenaphi. But ke guys, you know ukuthi efamily mangabe umuntu ebhalisa umuntu nje now uyangena uya-enterisha strong ukuthi ubhalisile uma iphi imali, why fanele ugodla imali ngoba imali ibewe ye situation ekhona. Manje imali iphi kuthiwa kweza ama tombstone uMaNtuli akanamali, ngathi akanamali. So nje guys kumshubela kakhulu uMaNtuli kulenyanga, kusazomshubela futhi, and bathi ke she will be reaping what she's been sowing. So nezingane zakhe guys they will disown her and uzobe ke a one woman show ngenxa ke yezenzo zakhe ke. So that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion about the storyline ke sikaMaNtuli. Do you think uMaNtuli uyababulala labantu because uSifiso is now suspecting ukuthi uMaNtuli is doing something ukuze abantu bashone emndenini bese nethula ke imali. Bye.